Hey guys, David from Rue here with our second edition of Keeping It Short, our short videos on everything that is new with Rue. And with this version, we're actually really excited to share two features that we actually released and have been live for for about a week or 2 weeks now. And we're really excited for them because we know they can be super helpful for users. The features are our QR codes and our bulk upload feature. Now, I'm going to keep it short because we have tutorials for each one of them showing you exactly how to use them. There's a cat walking here. So I'm going to keep it short, but I want to show you the gist of it and what we're actually added. So let's start with the QR codes. And now when creating a link with Rue, creating a smart short link, on top of everything that you're able to do with the link as far as the webhooks, the domain, the custom slug, the folders, you can actually place them in your own folders. We actually added an option here in the add-ons to add a QR code. So when you turn that on, you can customize your QR code and you can actually create your short link. And let me just show you basically what that looks like. Just creating a QR code here, just creating a short link, and I can add all the brains and all the logic that the Rue adds to a short links here with the webhooks, with the smart redirects, and have everything packaged in a QR code that I can then put on my website or print and put in my store. And everything that I want people to scan the QR code and do something, I can do that. And you can actually add all the brains and all the smart redirects and all the business wisdom that you add to a regular Rue link. You can now add that to a QR code as well. So this is really cool. You can download the QR code here. You get them in PNG and SVG. And we actually have a full video on how to use the QR code. So I'm not going to go into details here, but just know that you can use them here in the UI. You can use them in the Make. You can use them in the API. And it's really super helpful. Another thing we've added here is the option to bulk upload. So when creating a new short link, you're used to putting in the URL, all the add-ons and everything for a single link. You can actually here with bulk upload drag a CSV, and we're giving you the template of the CSV, and actually have as many links as you want created in one bulk with the webhooks, with the schedule, with the click count, with the QR codes. You can actually create them all in once, and that will create a job the Rue executes, and you'll get notified by email, you get notified by webhook, and then take that information to your CRM, to your users, to wherever you want to take them. So this is really cool. So just like creating a short link, a single link, you can now bulk upload and create many links. Other things we've added in this version is actually it's much more convenient and easy to work with the folders inside in the API and in the Make app. It's super convenient, just like working with folders in Dropbox, and everything to keep your links organized. And that's about it. So we're really keeping it short. We have tutorials for each thing that I just showed here, so you can find them under the tutorials in Hebrew and in English. Enjoy Rue, guys.